Hello everyone. Welcome to James Marketing Tools. The clip today. I will guide everyone as we go. Using MKT Care software. MKT Care is Facebook accounts management software. Large number of Facebook accounts. And the software that's going to help us in auto marketing. Automatic reach to leads. With these accounts, for example, we have some parts. Is to manage the account. Unlimited account management. Set up interactive scripts to help us. Use the sub-Facebook account automatically go. Interact to work like a real person. The script as surfing. Read that story feed. And today I want to introduce you to everyone. That's the auto group posting part. This group post section, it will help us a lot. It's about us selling. We're going to interpret the information of our products to those potential groups. Today, I will guide everyone set up basic configuration and go. How to post it. The first is the number of threads. It depends on the machine configuration. I'll leave 6 as mine machine. And all accounts post how many maximum number of groups. This is how many to post for an account. If posted 10 group per account, 100 accounts will be 1,000 groups. Everyone counts according to the number of their accounts. Here I will choose. I will have 60 accounts. Each account will post 3 groups. I'm going to do a rough calculation of those 100 groups. And here's how many groups to change accounts after posting. Next is the distance between the two action. So let's relax a little bit and we'll let it go for 50 to 100 seconds. And the next part is very important. I will choose the content. Here I have prepared the contents, entered software, and when people post it, people just have to choose the part of that content, and everyone can post it. Select some of the content that I have already done. That and everyone should have over 10 content to software. So it avoid duplicate content too much. And the software also automatically rotates the icons or date or time for. The content is not 100% identical. I just arranged this and that's it. Choose the groups you post. I'll enter my ID here. Or people can also post to a group that's already. That account has joined. Well, it's up to everyone depending on the needs. Here I was. Scans out a bunch of potential groups. I'll copy the ID back. And how to scan out this potential group. Then people can watch my other clips or contact me directly for guidance. I can scan thousands of groups. Then enter the software, click Save. The next one is, there's going to be some basic configurations like, get this random content, don't duplicate this group. Automatically join the group if you haven't already, and automatically comment after I post. I'll comment on more content. Is it a contact phone number or a contact address? Then select the raw account and I just click on it. Start is the software will automatically post. So let's see how the software is everyone. By everyone, subscribe to my channel.